Hi, I'm Sam from Fine Country. Welcome today to the parish of Corston in South Rugby. Behind me is Homefield, a delightful 1920s built detached home with just under 0.4 of an acre of gardens. Come with me and we'll take a good look round. Homefield was constructed in pre-war times and offers many of the traditions of a house of its period, but alongside some great contemporary features. There's a sitting room at the front of the house, a study, it has its own log burner and a large lounge that overlooks the gardens beyond. And in 2007, our owners extended the house to create an impressive kitchen dining space with vaulted ceiling, Velux roof windows and beautiful views of the west-facing gardens. There's a utility room and cloakroom, and on the first floor, 4 very well-proportioned bedrooms. In the 1990s, the house was extended even further to create a large master bedroom suite, again with views of the garden and its own ensuite bathroom. There's also further double rooms, 4th bedroom is used as a study, and a family bathroom and separate WC. The gardens are a real delight. They have great views of the rear elevation, where the extensions can be appreciated, and there's an attractive plot of 0.39 of an acre. You join me at the end of the tour in the delightful west-facing gardens of Homefield, where behind me you can appreciate the improvements that have been made by the present owners and previous owners over the years, including a most recent 2007 extension of the kitchen. If you'd like to join me for an exclusive viewing, then contact me on the details that are about to follow.